Post-construction cleaning can be very lucrative for your cleaning business. It can provide a huge cash infusion, and it can be a gateway to recurring revenue contracts after you finish the final clean if you do it correctly. But how do we get these clients, right? How do we get the big construction cleaning jobs? Where do they come from? How do we bid on them? And that's what we're talking about in this video. I'm gonna break down some of the top strategies that I've used personally and what I know will work to get you on these lists. Strategy number one is to leverage referrals from your existing client base, right? Reach out to your clients that you already have. Let them know that you are now offering post-construction cleaning services. Ask them if they plan on building any new offices or schools or daycares or whatever it is that you clean in the future, and let them know if they plan on doing this, you offer those services. Now, say you're in a position where the particular building that you clean has multiple locations, right? For instance, you clean office buildings and you see another office building being built that looks just like yours. It's the same brand, same company, all that, right? You can reach out to the property manager and let them know, hey, I noticed you guys are building a new location. I wanted to see if y'all have post-construction cleaning purchased for this particular building. Just letting you know we do this as well. Now, what happened for me was it was in the reverse. The contractor that is building this new office reached out to my client and let them know, hey, we need a referral on cleaning for this particular building. When we are ready to turn it over to you all, do you know any post-construction cleaning companies? My client let them know, hey, you reach out to these guys, they'll be glad to clean it for you. And boom, just like that, that's what happened for us. But it got me thinking we can do this in the reverse as well. And just if we see that building being built, go ahead, ask them, do you guys need somebody to clean this for post-construction, right? That leads me to my number two strategy, which is visiting active construction sites, right? You may be driving around your neighborhood or whatever area that you service, and you will see a building that's actively being built, right? There's people in there painting and doing all kind of work, right? This is where you would go up to the building, maybe not walk all the way in there just to keep it safe, right? And then you would speak to the first person you see and ask them if you can speak with the superintendent. Is there a superintendent or a project manager on site? That's who you want to speak with, right? Once you speak with them, you just introduce yourself, ask them how everything is going, and let them know that you provide cleaning services for construction jobs like this, right? This is where you would also ask them if you can become a vendor for them. What's the process for getting on the vendors list or the bidding list? How does that work? And they'll likely just break it down to you. This is exactly what happened to me when I was going out prospecting for different clients, right? I was able to get that information just from a conversation with the particular superintendent that was on site. Now, say there's no superintendent on site, right? You will see the signs outside, right? Look for the construction company's sign that is outside, right? And you will just call that number. Whoever you speak with, most likely it'll be a secretary or a representative of the particular company, and you will just let them know, hey, I noticed this building that's being built on 123 Main Street. Just wanted to see if I could speak with the superintendent or the project manager for that building, because I would like to see if we can provide cleaning services for that building once you all are done building it, right? And they'll likely transfer you to them, or they may give you their voicemail, whatever, right? Now I want to share with you the exact text message that I sent to a project manager once I got their phone number, right? Good afternoon, this is Darian with my cleaning service. I noticed your project on blank street name, and I wanted to see if you need post-construction cleaning services. We'd be happy to showcase our previous work and explore the opportunity of becoming a vendor for your team. Just like that. Shortly after sending that message, I got a text back from the project manager letting me know that they have already purchased cleaning services for that particular project, but they do have more in the future. And he asked me for additional information and how he can find out about my company. And this is what I sent to him. I sent to him my company name, my phone number, the direct email, and my links to my Google, website, and Facebook pages. And after that, you're gonna need additional information, but we'll get to that shortly. So let's move to this next one. Strategy number 3 is to Google the top 10 or 20 construction companies in your area. And that's a quick Google search, construction companies near me, and look for the top 10 to 20 most credible, best looking construction companies. Go to their website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there'll be a space where it may say career opportunities or become a vendor or partner with us, or there may just be an email that says info@constructioncompany.com, right? And you will follow the next steps, or if there's no next steps, you want to take that particular email and send them an email similar to the text we sent earlier, but it's simply something to make contact with that construction company. And what you want to do is make the subject title post-construction cleaning vendor or post-construction cleaning opportunity or inquiry, something like that. And you'll want to start it out like this. Hello, blank's name or construction company name. My name is Darian Jarrett. I'm the owner of my cleaning service. We specialize in post-construction cleaning and would love to partner with your company to ensure your projects are delivered in pristine condition. I wanted to know if there's a process to become a vendor or join a bidders list for upcoming projects. I'll be glad to share additional information if needed. Thank you for your time. Something like that, short and sweet. Get your point across, let them know what you do, and just try to make contact with them and then follow up if you don't hear anything back from them. Now, those were my top 3 strategies in order to get on bidders lists and become a vendor for these companies. But what happens when they ask you for additional information, and what do you need in order to become a vendor for them, right? I have a list right here. Now, what'll be included is an introductory letter, something like that. And what I have on mine, I'll share with you my introductory letter, right? Here's what I have. We're a family-owned professional cleaning company established in 2019, based in Jacksonville, Florida, by way of Little Rock, Arkansas, specializing in commercial cleaning services, including post-construction cleaning and daily janitorial. With over 15 years of industry experience, our team understands the unique demands of construction projects and what it takes to deliver a space that's move-in ready. We pride ourselves on quality, efficiency, and professionalism. Our services include everything from dust and debris removal to detailed cleaning of floors, windows, and surfaces, ensuring the site meets the highest standards. We're fully insured, and our team is trained to handle specialized equipment and products for the best results. Now, this is just an example of what I have. This is exactly what I sent actually to one of my potential clients, and it worked, right? Now, of course, this is very unique to me and my company situation. Be honest, give a brief, you basically just want to sell your company in that introductory letter when they ask you for more information, right? Now, you're going to need a W-9 form, you're going to need general liability insurance, and you're going to need workers' compensation insurance. That's what they're going to ask you for regardless, automatically, right? Once you send all that good stuff in, they may ask you to answer some preliminary questions. This is what I went through. It's somewhat of a portal that you would go through. Then you would confirm, that all that has went through, and I got the completed confirmation. I simply waited a couple of days and I reached back out to the particular project manager or the guy who's over hiring for the construction cleaning service. And I just asked them, hey, just making sure everything went through. Follow up, right? Because sometimes they may forget, or they just may be in the process of doing it. Once that happened, I immediately started getting all these different hits. I'm getting opportunity to bid on this, opportunity to bid on that. Some of it's close to me, some of it's far away, it's 2 hours away, 1 hour away. But every week I'm starting to get these different bid opportunities for different jobs, whether that's a school, a restaurant, a bank, whatever. And it's starting to happen like that for me in my particular area. And this can happen for you as well. If you have any more ideas or strategies that has worked for you, make sure you put it in the comments below to help the community. I hope this video was valuable for you. Once you get your first post-construction cleaning job, you may want to watch that video to figure out what you will need for that job. But thank you for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.